Makeria ya matereba ngiri ĩmwe a mbathi cia thukuru kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi umuthi ni magire na mweke wa kwamukira motungata ma ithimi cia maitho na mato na oho guthomithio uria mabatie guthingata ugitiri wa ciana igithie kana ikiuma thukuru.
Pata kupimwa mambo ya blood pressure, temperature, height, alafu mambo ya madawa ya kulevya tumeambiwa yule anakula aidha miraa. Pia tumefunzwa kukula kwa gari si vizuri, kuongea na simu, mambo mingi yenye tukua hatujui.
Tumepata siku ya leo mostly ni venye tunachukua watoto asubuhi, jinsi tunavyo handle in the bus ndio wasije wakapata majeraha yoyote kwa gari, na inakuwa ni vizuri sana tunapofunzwa hivyo ndio angalau watoto wakuwe na ile safety tunapowachukua asubuhi na jioni.
Mihango eno ikinyanirio ni ruhonge rwa guthingatithia wigirereki barabara-ini NTSA gwataniro-ini na ikundi ingi na muoroto wa kunyihia mitino ire ikoretwo ikihanika ya mbathi cia thukuru.
This is one of the pillars that, as a strategic plan led by our board, we have identified as an area of great concern and would like to address. We are also working with the Kenya Institute of Curricular Development to introduce road safety in part of the school curricula, which is to build up to this.
Today is a very exciting day and we are really pleased to be able to see so many drivers and offer eye checkup services and hearing services with various partners so that we can ensure that the drivers are safe, comfortable, and this makes our children safe.
Ica ikuhi na baya mitino irira kuruhania mbathi cia thukuru ni yongererekete. Honge ici ikinyitanira gutigirira ugima wa mwiri wa matereba aria marehokerwo ciana ni aciari ni ugacirithitio.
What we want to ensure is that our drivers have road safety training, but more importantly first aid training. So imagine something happens as they're driving the children back and forth. We want to be able to have drivers that can actually support in case there is an emergency.
We are also working with other stakeholders and partners also to ensure that the medical stability of our drivers who are taking our children from point A to B are well, and also have the mental ability to be able to protect our children.
Matereba aya mauma na ihinda ria kwiyaria magitariria moritu maria matunganaga namo wira-ini uyu ari hamwe na kwaga watho uramagitira kumana na ahuthiri angi a barabara.
The bigger challenge I've experienced on the road, we don't have a proper policy to protect the school buses on the road, because you find that sometimes you are stopping to drop the learners or to pick the learners, then another motorist behind you is harassing you.
Kuna changamoto ambazo tunapata pia kwa barabara, na tumepata hiyo fursa ya kuongea nao. Tumewauliza maswali jinsi wanaweza tusaidia, na wametueleza the way forward from now, na tumefurahia sana walivyotuambia wanaweza tusaidia.
Mihango ino ni tanyitwo gutwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini itiganite ari hamwe na kaunti ya Nakuru. Ino ari mwe ya kaunti iria ciandikithagia namba nene ya mitino ya barabara o mwaka.
Our goal is to do at least Nakuru County next, if possible. Try and do Kisumu County next, and then possibly Kericho, and then go down to the coastal. So we will try and target the A104 going up towards the western side as Benji County. So
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadurwa.